at his Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire banger. So in today's video, I have a race. So today I'll be racing a Ripp Supercharged Chrysler 300 V6. Honestly, I already know the outcome. But I want to see where my car is sitting at NA and see how my car is going to do against this. But I'm going to gut the car, and then I'm going to pick up the camera once I get to the meetup spot. All right, got the car gutted out. Y'all know, rate that video. Got that start. Yes, sir. I'm going to pick up the camera once we get to the meetup spot. So we just got it to the meetup spot, but honestly, me racing this Ripp Supercharged 300, I know I'm probably not gonna win. Yeah, that's just it. But hopefully I can shoot out in front of him and stay in front of him. But once that boost kicks in, I mean, y'all know my thing with these boosted cars. I just keep getting left. So let's see how this goes. But leave in the comments down below what I think is going to happen. I think he's going to beat me by like 2 cars. Maybe 2 cars depending. My car is completely gutted. He probably has full interior. But that Ripp Supercharger, that thing is no joke, bro. That thing is no joke. So I'll pick up the camera once the other car gets here. All right, y'all. This is the 300 with that Ripp Supercharger. Y'all see the intercooler. It's my boy right here, man. Go ahead. We're going to find the hood real quick. It's gonna be interesting, but I don't know. I think you got it, man. I think you got it for sure. I got it. I know so, man. It's a look at that thing, bro. What? This is 300 versus the NA tuned V6, the boosted V6. So how you think it's gonna go?
I don't know. This is my first race.
This your first race?
Yeah.
Nah,
it's my first like scheduled race.
Oh, I don't know. I think honestly, you might give me by like. I'm saying you get him by 2 cars.
2 cars?
By 2 cars. Bro, that turbo thing, look, that motherfucker. Woo. God, how much you think you're making right now?
450 crank.
450 crank?
I got it from dyno literally this morning.
Oh yeah, you did dyno it. Hell yeah, bro. That's gonna be tough. But the rolls I want to do like, we can do like a 35, 40, and 50, and then whatever works for you too. As long as I get a 35, that's it. You want to do a dig?
Yeah.
We can do a dig. We can do a dig. We can do the rolls and then a dig, and then we'll call it that.
All right, sure.
All right, I think it's going to be a good race, man. But I'm picking the camera once we get over to Mexico. God. Woo. That's a bad mug. That's a bad mug. All right, y'all. So there y'all see it, man. The Pro Charge V6. This is gonna be a race. I think if my driver mod is good, hopefully his driver mod is good. But even if his driver mod is not good, even if he did this pedal to the metal, he's gonna get me. But he wants to do a dig as well, so I'm down for that. So instead of having the GoPro on the car, I'm gonna have the GoPro mounted to my head. That way I can look around too, because I don't like the new mount that I have. So we just gonna see how this goes. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get over to Mexico. Wish me luck, y'all. All right, y'all, so we on the GoPro now. So hopefully I can get this 35, so we're gonna see how this goes. So this first roll is gonna be the 35 roll. All right, let's get this 35 in, see how this goes. Messed up. He must have misshifted or something. Ooh, I had him at the top end though. We don't get that rerun in. We don't get that rerun. So he said he ended up like misshifting, so it's all right, it happens. But let's see what goes on for this rerun of the 35. Just by the look of that, I might hang with him for a little bit, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, let's get this rerun of the 35 roll. I know I'm gonna lose, but goddamn, I want to see by how much. Let's lot better than I thought. That was a lot better than I thought for that 35. Oh my God. That was close. It wasn't close, but it was good enough. Damn, that was good as hell. So the 35 actually wasn't that bad. I was right. It was about like a car, but once I was going from second to third or third to fourth, that damn supercharger he got just started spooling. It was going, bro. Like he picked up speed fast. Like I shot out for a little bit, but I did pretty good. I did a little better than what I expected to, but I think the rest of these rolls might be the same. Hopefully I can get them on the dig. But yeah, so we're gonna get this 40 roll in and let's see how this goes. All right, let's get this 40 roll in. Yo, that was fire. That was fire. Alright, so we just changed it up, so we're not gonna do a 50 roll because it's gonna be damn near the same. But we're gonna rerun the 35 since that's my best roll, but we're gonna do a 35 heads up, but I'm gonna get the hit. So pretty much like I'm gonna ask him whenever he's ready, and then I'm just gonna go. So pretty much like he has to react off of when I go. So hopefully I can get him off the hit, but I don't think I am, but let's just see what happens. Alright, so let's try this 35 and the hit. So I'm gonna need some type of handicap. I never asked for a handicap before, but shit, I might as well get it now. Let's see how this goes. 35 in the hit. So the hit was a little better. I shot out in front of him, but still ain't get it. So now we just gonna skip straight to the dig and then we gonna call it that. All right, so now we're just gonna jump straight to the dig and then that'll be it. So the dig, I don't know, honestly, hopefully I get him. We gonna see, but I don't think so, but it should be a good race. See? All right. You ready? Go. So granted that I wasn't second, I'm still gonna lose. So I just wanna see how much I lose by. But I don't know, let's see what happens. You ready? Go! Oh, I spun. That's a lot better. That nigga out of there, oh my God, that motherfucker gone. Oh yeah, he got me by like a car in the dig right there. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. But we gonna park up and talk about it. All right, y'all, so there you have it. The boosted 300 got the 6 baddie. So how you feel? So how you feel like for an NA car? Where do you think how you think my car's sitting?
It's quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's quick.
I say like my car is not fast. It's quick because I just made a YouTube video. I say quick versus fast.
Yeah.
This is quick. In my opinion, I say this is fast because if you want to be fast, get the Ripp Supercharger. You want to be quick, kind of go what I did. So
yeah, that shit's quick. I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of nervous seeing that RT video.
Oh.
The first run you had?
Oh yeah.
I thought you was gonna beat me, bro.
Nah, the first one, I don't know. Like you must have like misshifted or something.
Yeah, I don't know. That shit,
but
like my RPM's literally just maxed out.
It said, hell yeah. But I don't know, bro. Like the Ripp Supercharger, that's fire. So how do you like it? Like what are your pros and cons for it?
It's good. Shit, the pros, it's fast.
Yeah.
It's, in my opinion, cheaper than for me at least, you know, all, with the insurance and everything,
Yeah.
it's cheaper than upgrading to a RT.
Exactly, because you're making scat power.
Yeah.
Because I low key want to see you on an RT, because I feel like if you run an RT, that's gonna be a good run. Is this all wheel or rear wheel?
It's rear wheel.
Okay, so yeah, so I think you being rear, that's gonna be fire. But
yeah, honestly, the only con is the fact that if you like to drive fast, gas mileage ain't gonna it ain't gonna.
Oh, my gas mileage is terrible. What's yours? I bet it's not worse than mine.
Nah, my shit's at like 23 right now.
Oh, you're at 20. I'm on an average. I'm at like 18.
But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I can't even think of a con right now, but it's just.
I think
it's a good purchase. I like
my only con is this shit's expensive. God, it's expensive, but it's worth it. That's what doesn't make it a con though. Like it's kind of like best of both worlds. Like it's fire. But bro, those are some fire runs. I think the 35 and a hit was definitely like it was good. Cause once I got from third to second to third, you was reeling me in. But I was right. It was about like 2 cars. Bro, I say honestly, the most you got me by was like 3.5. I say a bus.
Which one was that?
The 40. The 40 you left. The 40 hey, if you when I say to go, you left. I was like, yep, there he is. But I think the 35, because my RPM is so high and there's so much torque right there, that's what I'm shooting out so much.
You don't have a sport mode in this?
Yeah, sport mode and stability, everything was off. But my car is fully gutted too. So I think it goes fire though. Like
I don't
this.
even pay attention to my gears. Like I really just downshift and it literally upshifts for me. I don't know why.
Nah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's why I told you to get the paddles.
I want to get the paddles, but like if I get paddles, I like them for looks. Cause you know I got the carbon steering wheel, so like I would get that for the looks. I like it for the looks though. But
I'll let you get a drive in this.
Huh?
I'll let you get a drive in this.
Oh yes, I'll definitely be a passenger. I want to see how this thing
Where you gonna
pulls.
put your car though?
Huh?
Where you gonna put your car?
I'll leave right here.
All right.
Hell yeah, but let's get this test ride in, then we're gonna end the video, y'all.
Hold on,
you finna let me get the keys on this thing? Hold on. I'm finna drive this motherfucker. Let's see. He got the taser, let me see. The vehicle info, engine power, he got the taser on this thing, where's the drive modes? Oh, you got the drive modes in the 6? Nah, that's tough. Yeah, this is tough. I can hear that motherfucker. So when you how you put it in manual mode? Like you just...
I just...
You just downshift?
Yeah, it's downshift.
All right, bet. So I'm gonna do when we get up there. All right, where's your gears at? Damn, this bitch move. Oh my god. That shit go. Hold on. That shit go. Okay, I'm in first. I'm gonna try that 30. I'm gonna try 35 at first. Oh, this shit is fucking moving. Nah, that shit move. I feel like my tune is so aggressive.
Yeah.
But like this shit, it picks up so smooth.
Shit, I don't know. I feel like it could be better. I can't get greedy with it though.
Nah, get your trans tuned. Okay, even from a 60, your shit is fire. All right, y'all. But there y'all have it. The 300 Pro Charge versus the V6 NA. That was a badass race, bro. Yo, I appreciate you for coming out. Yep. You want to tell where they can find you at?
I mean, you can find me on Instagram. Link in the description.
Hell yeah.
My boy got it.
Hell yeah,
I don't really post nothing on there though, but you know, I'll be posting stories sometimes.
If you want to catch a lane, that's what you want, man. You want to catch a lane with this, let them know.
Yeah, can I drop location? Just state.
Yeah, you can drop state.
We near Texas. Just
yeah, if you near Texas, catch a lane, bro. All right, y'all, but make sure y'all go into the giveaway. I'll put the link into the description, bro. Fire ass video, fire ass race. Big shout out to the homie. It's 36J, and I'm out. Bow.